Passive income doesn't have to be as hard as you think. You just have to do what everyone else is not doing and build a small business around it. Even though there are a ton of ways to make passive income, when I first started, I failed miserably. There is way too much information out there on the internet, and it's easy to fall into a rabbit hole and wake up in another world with a headache and still not know anything. I was determined to figure it out, and when I did, I went from making money to making a difference. With the way the world is and everybody wants things instantly, passive income doesn't actually work that way. You do have to set everything up first, then automate it, and that's what I'm going to show you in this quick video right here. What I have done is condensed everything down to the best, funnest, easiest, and fastest ways to make passive income online. Instead of you just swinging until you hit something, I have almost broken my arm swinging and missed enough times so you don't have to. This is the Builderall Passive Income Business Plan. Let me show you how we have been making passive income consistently in the Builderall community. This is how this is going to work. First, I want to get the misconception out the way and let you know that all streams of passive income require some work at the beginning. You have to build a system and then manage it. Lucky for you, I have created it and have tools to manage it for us so that it can run on autopilot. The channel that we are going to be using to generate income is the funnel method. It's already pre-built and it's converting. Just get the software and import it into your system and you're ready to go. You also get a free website, blog, training, resources, graphics, articles. This all comes with the only tool that you need to make this all happen. And any other marketing material that you need and guidance will be included as well. This is how this is going to work. We are going to build our passive income business inside of a software called Builderall. Builderall is going to pay us as an affiliate to promote the software because we are going to use it as the vehicle to run our passive income business. With Builderall, there is an opportunity to make multiple streams of income, but we will get into that later. Because Builderall is a special software, this allows us to build whatever we want inside of it. We are able to import whatever system that we want and share it with others. Right now, I want to put things into perspective for you so that you have an idea how you can make money with this. There is a two-tier affiliate system that we are going to tap into and get an offer to other prospects that want to start an online business. The software has all the tools that you will ever need and the cost is minimal compared to everything else that's out there. When we promote it, we are going to calculate how many people we need to offer this service to versus how much we want to make a month. If our goal is to make $1,000 a month, I have a few examples that we can look at to make that happen. Example 1. If we made 5 sales and each affiliate made 5 sales and each second tier affiliates makes 10 sales, that's over $1,000 a month passively. Example 2. If we made 10 sales and each affiliate made 10 sales and each second tier affiliates makes 10 sales, that's over $2,300 a month passively. Example 3. If we made 100 sales and each affiliate made 10 sales and each second tier affiliates makes 10 sales, that's over $4,300 a month passively. I know our goal was to make $1,000 a month, but you can see how fast you can make a lot more if you reach out to more prospects. For most of us, it's enough to replace what you're making in your current job. This is not like multi-level marketing. This is affiliate marketing. Builderall just happened to have a two-tier affiliate system. Actually, they are the only software that I know of for this type of setup, and you as an affiliate can benefit from it. That's less work for you on your part to promote it. Now let's talk about multiple streams of income since you are still here. Just for using the software to run your online business, you can earn an affiliate commission. You can also earn income in other ways besides with your own online business. Whether you're selling digital products, blogging, making money from Google AdSense, or whatever. Builderall also has a marketplace where you can go to grab funnels, already pre-built, and comes with an email sequence already set up. So when someone opts in, they will automatically receive emails every day, week, or month depending on the sequence in the campaign. There are businesses that you can promote for a commission. The sales funnels are already set up. All you have to do is send traffic to them, just like you would do a normal business, and make money. It's all up to you what you want to do with this software. You can even create your own store and sell physical products, digital products, and even accept payments through PayPal, Stripe, and other payment processors. You can also run a website agency that you can have clients and manage their website all inside of this software. Don't worry about the learning curve, there are over 100 training videos to help guide you through the software. There is a 14-day free trial to get started with Builderall, no credit card required if you don't think that this is something for you. No need to cancel. You can get back to your regular job until you're ready to start making money online. For those of you that are ready to take life in your own hands and debunk the whole passive income myth, there is a link to sign up somewhere on this page. There are a few offers to upgrade and learn about how you can make more money, but one step at a time. In the meantime, I will see you on the inside and look forward to working with you.